Everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I have shared some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend and subscribe my channel. If you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This link I will paste in description box. Please join it. Our first job is data analyst for Paytm. Paytm is hiring for data analyst and senior associate. Location is Noida and Bangalore, India, and this is about Paytm and all. This is your skill requirement. This is your company requirement, and this is your skill requirement like SQL, preferable, BigQuery, and HIV, Hive, Advanced Excel, and all. You have 2 to 3 years of experience you have need, and how to apply this job? You simply click apply for this job, and you fill the detail. Our next job is Siemens is hiring for Python developer. Location is Bangalore, and this is your job description and all. And this is your knowledge, what company need, and how to apply this job. You simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. Next job is software engineer in ML, machine learning. Oops. And this is about company requirement, and this is for remote location India, and experience need a full-time 3 to 6 month of internship in immediately in Python is proficiency. And how to apply this job? You have fill all the detail, the first name, last name, email, and all. Our next job is Siemens is again hiring for database developer. This is for also Bangalore, India location. This is a requirement of Siemens company, and this is your experience need. Experience you have need to 6 to 8 years of experience you have need. How to apply this job? You simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. Our next job is a field engineer. Okay, FAE, field application engineer. This is the qualification need a strong communication skill and all. And country is India and location is Noida. This is your job description and all. How to apply this job? You have click here and you fill the detail. Okay. Our next job is for software engineer. I have covered this. Sorry. Our next job is data analyst for Bangalore, Kolkata location, and experience need 2 to 4 years of experience you have need, and a skill need SQL and data analyst. This is your roles and responsibility you can see here, and this is your eligibility criteria and all. How to apply this job? You simply click apply for this job and you fill all the detail. Our next job is data analyst for YULU YULU company, and this is your job summary, and this is your key responsibility and all. Experience need 1 to 4 years of experience you have need, and how to apply this job? You simply click apply and you fill the detail. Our next job is account delivery specialist. This is hiring for this job role and discussion, and this is your requirement and qualification. You have must need 4 years of experience and all. How to apply this job? How to apply this job? You simply click apply on company website, and you fill all the detail. Our next job is for database manager and visualization expert in Power BI. This is there are three total opening, and experience need 2 year to 7 year of experience you have needed. And this is for Chennai, and remote work allowed. Okay. How to apply this job? You click here, sign in to apply, and you first sign in, then you have apply on that. Our next job is business analyst from growth, and location is Bangalore, India. And this is your job roles and responsibility you can see here, and experience need 2 year of experience you must have need. How to apply this job? You simply click apply for this job and you fill the detail. Our next job is Power BI trainee for fresher, and education must need BCA, BTech